Pre-intermediate lesson number 7. Thank you. So, we had a review of all the different question words. The W ones, where, what, when, which, who, what kind or what type, what time, why. And then all the H ones. How many, how long, how much, how often, how tall. And there are lots of these. How small, how big. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then we looked at the structure that I've taught you for question words, which is question word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb. But today we also saw that sometimes you just use the question word, auxiliary verb and the subject, and sometimes you use the auxiliary verb, subject and the main verb. So some examples over here, question word, auxiliary verb and the subject, what time is it? So that fits more into the question word, auxiliary verb, subject. Here's another one, where is the nearest cinema? That's just question word, auxiliary verb, subject. And then you had some that are like this, auxiliary verb, subject, verb. Do you like travelling by bus? Yeah? So it fits into auxiliary verb, subject, verb. And then, of course, sometimes you just have the ones that fit into the full structure. But here you go. What time will we start our first lesson? Question word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb. But then, we notice that some of the auxiliary verbs that I've taught you, be, have, do, the three main ones, they're changing. Sometimes we're saying will, sometimes we're saying can, sometimes we're saying would. So over here, we went through the three main auxiliary verbs that we've been using, and then we learnt the special dance, wenga, zungo, zunga, boota theme, rhyme for the 10 main modal verbs. Are you going to do it? You're not, are you? Are you? They're just going to laugh. Okay, I'm not even going to do it. I'm just going to do it politely, in a very polite English way. Can and could. Will and would. Shall and should. May, might, must. And then ought to at the end.
Yeah.
There's the rhyme. It works. It's beautiful. Shakespeare couldn't have done better. And don't forget your homework and see you next week.